Looking for passive income sites that aren't the same ones everyone's already promoting? These three platforms are low competition, high potential, and perfect for earning on the side in 2025, even if you're starting from scratch. Let's dive in. 1. Gumroad plus ChatGPT. Automation. Gumroad isn't new, but what's new is how people are automating it with AI. Users are uploading digital products like planners, templates, or low-content ebooks, and they're letting ChatGPT and Canva do all the heavy lifting. Once your product is up, Gumroad handles payments, delivery, and customer support. It's hands-off income with huge scaling potential, and it's free to start. Pro tip: pick a niche like budgeting, wellness, or AI tools. These sell best in 2025. 2. Reward XP. This platform rewards users for completing tasks. But unlike typical survey sites, it offers a referral-based passive stream. Here's how it works. You sign up, complete tasks to earn, and then refer others using your unique link. Every time someone you refer earns, you earn too, without doing anything. People are stacking hundreds in passive points just by sharing it on Reddit, Discord, or YouTube descriptions. They also pay out through PayPal, crypto, or gift cards. Super flexible and global. 3. Uploadship. This one's a hidden gem. Uploadship lets you upload digital files and pays you when people download them. Think guides, tools, resources, checklists, anything useful. You earn every time someone clicks and downloads, and there's no selling involved. Top earners are making income by posting free downloads in blog posts, Facebook groups, and forums. It's a pure passive play once your content is uploaded and linked. Great for creators who don't want to sell, just share. Final thoughts. These platforms fly under the radar, but they're proving to be real income sources in 2025. With smart setup and consistency, you can turn any of these into an automated income stream. The key? Start now. The earlier you launch, the sooner the money starts stacking, even while you sleep.